Alright, today we are meeting up with Jay Wheelie to see how far we can push these Surrons and Talarias in the Canadian winter. No studded tires, just straight drifting. We're testing these limits in a controlled spot. This is not a tutorial.
Another one. I think we're throwing it a little harder. Oh, nice save, nice save.
If you're not scared to spin, you normally don't spin. I just kind of let off and let the front grip up. Like I don't give up.
I have no front brakes. All right, we're back here in the daylight for some winter drifting. Oh, there's Jay Wheelie.
So those old people are gone. It's just the people at the bench smoking weed. So we'll give them a little show.
Whoa, slick. Woo.
Even when it was dirt and just a little bit icy, I couldn't make it up that, but we'll see.
Okay. I'm pretty close. Definitely a lot harder to ride. Oh boy. Honestly, these bikes are awesome. Like, oh, it's like they're quiet, so nobody really cares. It's literally like a cheat code for riding a dirt bike in the city, and you're like so undercover, so stealthy. It might be a microwave, but it is the best microwave ever. Did you see those people? Oh, they were grinning ear to ear.
Yeah, yeah, I gave her a smile and she was super happy. Sounds like a Hellcat.
Whew. Good, bike's good. If you can drift this whole line, that is.
Now just for reference, I know that this hill does not look that large, but it actually is quite big, and I was surprised we were even able to make it up this hill.
Whew. Oh. Oh, you just got her good.
Surprised it took that long for me to crash.
Whew, that was a gooder. I was gonna say, no way you're riding down here.
Nah, fuck it, we'll go down.
Oh, that was so close to being clean.
So I will say Jamin is definitely the pro here. He has had a pretty good amount of seat time learning to drift, and I am definitely a learner in this video. And what you're about to see up next here was a pretty good fall that basically put me out of commission, but yeah, don't worry.
Oh, that was a gooder. Oh, I think I just pulled a pec muscle.
There you go. Better low side, right? Maybe.
That one hurt. That was a slow fall, but that one hurt.
Oh yeah.
What the hell? Oh my god.
I gotta turn my GoPro on if you're gonna keep doing this.
Yeah. Oh.
You alright? What'd you hit?
Nothing. That was just a groin stretch.
Okay.
Oh, I keep dropping the bike. Another one. I think we're throwing it a little harder.
And for reference, you guys, it is really hard to get traction on these bikes. Like, it is full out like a two-wheel drift cart.
Forward if you can. You're still pretty far back.
Yeah?
Your nuts should be like on the
Yeah. It does feel much more loose. I feel like, yeah, you're better control that way. Ooh, it's so sketchy once you start moving quick.
It looks so sick with the roller too, like what I'm watching. Oh man.